going to see how we can write a number in standard form or scientific notation. Suppose we have a number 23000. There is no decimal in this number. It means decimal is here. Now we have to bring this decimal here after one digit other than 0. It may be 1 to 9. Now we are transferring this decimal to here, means 1, 2, 3 and 4 digits left. It will become 2.3 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose we are given another number 78690. We have to write this in standard form. Again the decimal is here. We will count the digits from here 1, 2, 3, 4 and put decimal here 7.869 into 10 to the power 4. Suppose we are given another number 350000. We have to write this in standard form or scientific notation. Decimal is here. We will start counting from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We will put decimal here 3.5 into 10 to the power 6. We are taking another example. Now in this case decimal is here 0.0026. Now we have to move decimal towards right from here to here 1, 2, 3. Then it will be written as 2.6 into 10 to the power minus 3. When we bring this decimal to right, then we put minus sign here. Again let us take another example 0.000712. Now we will bring this decimal from here to, means decimal will be written after one digit and that digit should be from 1 to 9 other than 0. Then 7.12 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 minus 5. Let us take another example 0.000625. Now we will count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, again 5 digits. 6.25 into 10 to the power minus 5. In this way we can write number in standard form. I am giving some questions for homework or for practice, you can say. Zero point 0.00000012, 0.000602. These are 5 questions for practice. Now we are going to write numbers from decimal form to standard form to decimal form. Suppose we are given number 2.3 into 10 to the power 3. We have power 3 here, means decimal will move 3 digits right from here. It will be written as 2, 2, 3 and we will start counting from here 1, 2, 3. Decimal will come here. Let us take another number 4.05 into 10 to the power 5. We can put decimal 0. Or we may not write this also. Let us this number we have 5 here, means decimal will move 5 digits right. It will be written as 40512, 2 digits 3, 4, 5. Decimal after 5 digits. Let us take another example 6.05 into 10 to the power 2. then it will be written as 6. Decimal will move to right, 2 digits right. 6050. 1 2, 2 digits right. Now let us take those standard form with negative exponents on 10. Suppose we are given 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 3. Means minus 3 means here decimal will move 3 digits left. We write 25 and we will start counting from here. 1, 2, 3. This is our first example. Second example, suppose we have 6.03 into 10 to the power minus 2. Again we will start counting from here. 3, 0, 6 we have written, 1, 2. Decimal will move 2 digits left. We are given 4.3 into 10 to the power minus 5. Then we will write 4, 3 and start counting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Decimal will come here. In this way we can write number from decimal standard form to decimal form. Now I am giving some questions for practice. Question 1. We have to write this in decimal form. 2.8 into 10 to the power 3. 5.609 into 10 to the power 5. 6.7 into 10 to the power minus 4. 1.1 into 10 to the power minus 3 and 6.7 into 10 to the power minus 8.